many different background people are gathering here now. And also, I guess we can create a chemical reaction, talking or discussing about the several issues.
This kind of the session is great place to having and setting up the new teams, no matter which company you are, no matter which industry you are.
It's like a groom to be able to come out a very, stimulating energy we can share. And this kind of experience is very, very unique for me.
I think it was particularly interesting learning about the O&M challenges in Japan in particular, and how they overlap with asset management.
I find it very nice to be able to finally come back to Japan, to be here together with the Japanese players, the other players from the rest of Japan, and finally be here in person again to understand what did actually move in the market over the last few years.
This time it was nice to see parties who were able to actually give a case, okay, they have started some projects, and it was really nice to learn, and I look forward to getting more details from them.